All right. We just got this awesome project finished up here for Brianna and Rochester here. Unilock Beacon Hill Smooth, Bavarian blend, Copthorne border. Turned out awesome. Just got a couple questions for you. What was your main reason for contacting us about your project?
Well, we have this beautiful backyard space that we love. We moved in a few years ago and we love spending time out here, but we had a big screened in porch that was starting to rot. It was a couple decades old, and we had brick pavers in the ground that were getting all mossy. And we had some problems with drainage, with snow melt from the big hill. So we were ready for a big refresh in the backyard.
Yeah, it was a big change for sure. So, did you have any hesitations at all in choosing us for your project?
Not with choosing you guys. We met with a few other companies, and you guys seemed so friendly and knowledgeable and willing to work with us because we had a couple other people come in who were like, "Oh, let's just use straight square walls and easy peasy," and who said, "No, we want something a little bit more custom." And we went back and forth on the wall and different
We had a few
landscape
changes.
options. We
Yeah,
did,
yeah.
we did. So, but you guys were great to work with the whole time. So
Okay.
we enjoyed the design process, and it was an easy decision.
Yeah, perfect. We like to hear. So, as far as the whole install process and stuff, how'd that go?
Perfect. I mean, you guys were so quick. I mean, it was shocking. It was what, 3.5 days,
Something like that.
start
Yeah,
to
yeah.
finish. I mean, most of the time was spent on the base and the stuff that no one will ever see again, but we
Yes.
know is so important. So
Yep.
we appreciate you taking your time with that.
Yeah, perfect. Thank you. I appreciate that. Last question. Would you recommend us?
Absolutely. Already have the friends.
Oh, perfect.
Yeah.
Awesome. Thank you. I appreciate the
Yeah.
business.
Thank you so much,
Thank you.
Jared.